If this isn't the best view, but this is locked, and I had to film this even though it was closed because I like the install in there. So as you can see, come on, camera focus. Camera's just not really focusing. Maybe here it's a little better. Yeah, but you can kind of see that there's one fan on the ceiling fan on the right and another exhaust fan on the left. And let's see if there's any more in here. Okay, so as you can see, okay, yeah, there's a fan right there. Yeah, you can see it. But in here, I'm gonna look. Nah, there's no fan in there. Thank you guys for watching.